What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. Now, I currently lost my voice, but the show must go on. Okay. Now, today I want to talk about speeding up our workflow. Now, I'm not sure if you're quite like me, and even if you aren't quite like me, you may get a little bit of relief by doing the things that I am about to mention. Okay. Now, me personally, I have several sessions a week. Now, it may sound extremely hard to keep doing sessions over and over again when you're slammed with editing. Okay. Now, the topic that I'm about to talk about is something that a lot of people feel a lot of different ways about, myself included. When I first jumped into this, I really pride myself on editing and retouching my photos. Okay. So when it was brought to my attention that I should get a retoucher, I kind of felt a way about this in the beginning. All right. Now, I had a person here where I am now. She's an older lady and she always got her stuff retouched. And I was speaking to her how I felt like I didn't feel like if I got a retoucher that my photos would still be me. So what I had to do was, one second, I actually have something coming out of my nose right now. Sorry about that. So what we was talking about was a retoucher, and I told her that I didn't feel like if I got a retoucher, my work would still be my work. So what I did was, I'm pretty sure that you all have the same, where you have these retouchers that stay in your Instagram inbox telling you of their services. If not, I don't want to say don't trust them, but there are better ones. Okay. There are retouchers out there that probably won't show up in your DM because they are content with the amount of work that they're getting. So I went through about 7. Okay. And usually I tell people to go on Fiverr. I am not going to recommend Fiverr for this at this specific time. Now, Fiverr do have retouchers, but with that, you really don't know what you're going to get. You can't really work out too many deals with them. I have a personal relationship with my retoucher. I feel as if she is on my team. Now, I'm not the only person that she works with. She works with a lot of other different people, but we built such a great relationship this past year that she's really, I feel like, my employee, basically. So when I was shopping around for retouchers, one of the most important things that I was looking for was making sure I had somebody that edited and retouched just like me. Now, personally, I color grade all of my images. I have my Lightroom preset package, Ryan Troy Masterpieces, that I'm always telling you guys about, and I pretty much use it on all of my photos. So I color grade my photos. After that, I send it to her. I send a DNG file to her. It usually takes her about 1 day. I'm kind of top priority with her. In the beginning, it wasn't like that, and you may not find that. If it's something like that that is important to you, you have to make sure you find someone that works best for you. There's some people that may make you wait a week. There's some people that may make you wait 3 days. I can't talk right now. I mean, I understand my voice messed up, but sheesh. All right, cool. So it's some people that may make you wait 3 days, a week, 2 weeks. If they make you wait 2 weeks, their work better be incredible. But no, me as a worker, me as a person in the field, I can't afford to wait 2 weeks to have my clients get their photos. Okay. So the fact that I'm on my retoucher's top priority list and she usually takes 1 day is real helpful for that. Also, another thing that I also do, and you can do this as well, whatever your retoucher chooses to charge you, mine personally chooses to charge me. I'm sorry, guys, I'm sick. Okay. I'm sick. I'm sick. So my retoucher chooses to charge me $12 per image. Okay. If I give her a lot, it could cut down to probably like $10 an image, not much, but I don't mind. She does such an amazing job, guys, that I really don't mind. $12 is absolutely nothing, and it saves me so much time. But what I tell my clients is, if you want more fully retouched photos, it is $25 an image. Now, see what I do there? I actually get to keep more money when they do that because I'm sending their photos to my retoucher, and then I get to keep about a good I don't know, $13. My math's probably wrong, don't judge me. But I get to keep extra money when people buy this. So it's like an extra service that you get to add, and you get to speed up your workflow. So it's a win-win situation. Now, I want to know personally, what do you guys feel about having a retoucher? Do you feel like having a retoucher is a way to not make your work be you? Do you feel like it's not authentic? Or do you feel like it's a great way to save and speed up your workflow? At the end of the day, you took that photo, you posed it. If you choose to color grade it and all of that, that's on you. If you look at other businesses, there is nobody that does every single thing. They hire people on to do different things. So I want you to get out of that mindset that having a retoucher means that this is no longer your photo. Okay. Anybody that started a hamburger restaurant because they made the best hamburgers, I can guarantee you they are not in that kitchen doing it constantly. They have other people that they brought on board, and they may teach them their recipe, and people go ahead on and do that. But when it comes to your stuff, find somebody that edits just like you, how you want your stuff to look, and then it's still your image. It's still your quality. It is still what you promising. And if you don't want nobody to know, then nobody has to know. Me personally, I usually tag my retoucher on my photos. I need a tea break. I know this says coffee, but it is actually tea. When I put this to my mouth, this hard part, it hit my tooth. I'm just messing myself up over here. Listen, I hope you guys' Thanksgiving was good. Listen to me. Go on Instagram. Look for a retoucher just to experiment. I want you to look for a retoucher. They're really easy to find. Look through their work. Some people have fake work, okay? Look through their work. And some people also offer a first photo for free. So try to find somebody like that. You may not get that from the best retouchers. Most of the best retouchers stay busy a lot. I am so lucky and thankful that I found mine. If you want to use my retoucher to see how it goes, go ahead. But listen, don't be trying to slow down my workflow. Okay, I got mouths to feed. All right, don't try to slow down my workflow and have like 50, 1,000 people going to my retoucher, retouching their images, and now I'm over here waiting now 3 days to get my photos back. But if you want to try it out, she's tagged on my Instagram. Follow my Instagram. Look through some of my photos. She doesn't edit all of them, so you have to find the photo that she edited. For the most part, when I'm doing things that I'm not getting paid for, a lot of times I like to edit those myself because I know how I went into that shoot. But sometimes I let her do it. I love her beauty work. She's real detailed when it comes to skin. So basically, that's really what I send her my stuff for. I color graded everything, but then I send it to her so she could edit the skin, keep the skin texture. I really love the way that she does that. So I'm about to get out of here. I'm sick, as I said multiple times, but I wanted to deliver you guys with a great video because I've been missing for a while, okay? So until the next video, guys, peace.